No day is the same, which I think most people at Thompson would probably agree with that. I heavily focus on internal communications, which is employee communications, making sure employees feel informed and engaged with what's going on at the company. I work with our executive team, help them communicate to their teams, and then I also do some external communications in regards to public relations and media. I think it's a lot easier to be passionate about what I do, and what I do is so people-focused because I care and love the people I work with every day. I just became a mom, and so one of the things that really reminded me of how much of a family company this is the amount of love and care that people have shown me in this new season. I've had people that have sent gifts, sent food, came and visited. I've been here almost 7 years, and in general, Thompson's a family business, family owned, and I think that speaks to the kind of company it is and how much I love it here and how much I do feel valued as an employee, but also as a person. Outside of work, I am very involved in my church. I love playing pickleball, and I'm way too competitive, and I play it a lot. And currently I enjoy snuggles with my little girl, Amelia. Being in the industry, it's obviously a male-dominated industry. I think everyone would know that that's what construction is historically, but you can come in as a woman, be yourself. As a woman, you bring new ideas, new strategies, without trying to be someone you're not, but just coming in as yourself.